I went down a rabbit hole when my son Jonah came to me and says, hey, do you know about VO3? I was like, no, what's VO3? So if you're building anything even remotely complex in tech, you're gonna wanna listen to this. So you know the problem, your platform, it's super smart, right? Your products, they're actually solving real problems in the real world. And then what happens is that someone says, we need a video to explain this. Suddenly, it turns into a slide deck, right? The voiceover. The voiceover sounds like, you know, one of those sleep podcasts. Been there, right? Here's why VO3 stopped me in mid-scroll, and I had to do this today. It's Memorial Day, but I want to make this video. It just launched through Google's DeepMind, and honestly, it's pretty wild, man. You don't need a storyboard. You don't need to hire animators. You don't even need to pick up a camera, okay? You literally prompt it. Show a user clicking through a cybersecurity dashboard, alerts, pinging, urgent music playing, analysts reaching to a breach. Boom. Look, it generates a cinematic video. It feels like a launch trailer, not a sales pitch, okay? Now, I haven't tested the whole thing out myself, but the demos that I'm seeing online, they're stunning. They really are. It's just like, whoa, like, look at this interview.
Ma'am, would you like to become a robo-theist?
What's a robo-theist?
It's someone who believes that artificial intelligence is God.
Sir, would you like to become a robot-theist?
What's a robot-theist?
It's someone who believes in the robot religion.
So you wouldn't know if this is an interview created by AI if I didn't tell you ahead of time. Okay, so there's a filmmaker, and he's also a molecular biologist. His name is Hashim Al-Ghali. You can look this story up. He used VO3 to create a short film which featured an AI-generated character, well, lots of AI-generated characters, grappling with self-awareness. The video looked like it belonged to a theater. I'm not even joking you. Look at this. Fully AI-generated dialogue, the camera movement, cinematic lighting, and it basically sparked online fascination and debate about what AI storytelling could actually become.
The suit was light gray, this one is blue. And the tie was a softer gray, not the reddish tone they picked.
Now, imagine using that same level of storytelling power to explain your zero trust architecture, UX flow, your machine learning model, all in seconds. All right, so VO3 just isn't a cool AI video. It's like seriously having a creative director who actually understands your back-end architecture. So it speaks your tech language, it knows what to show, it's got system integrity, user flow, what else? Compliance requirements, all without drowning your audience in this garbage jargon that we're so used to watching. So how does this thing actually work? Well, let me show you. You write what you want to see. A busy street, ambient sound, people talking about a new device launch, and it builds it. Dialogue, background noise, camera movement, it's all done.
We just invented the best microscopic sub that fits into your blood vessels to see if you have heart disease.
Then you say, make it feel more intense and add drone shots. And why not? Soft music too, right? And it tweaks everything instantly.
We just invented the best microscopic sub that fits into your blood vessels to see if you have heart disease.
So right now, if you want to try it, there's a free plan, a Google AI Pro plan, and then a Google AI Ultra at the time of this recording. This is free, the first one, obviously. And these two are, Google AI Pro is free for now. It's going to be 20 bucks a month. And then the AI Ultra is going to be $250 a month, but for 3 months you can pay $124.99. So anyway, I'm thinking about testing prompt styles myself, like building a full B2B product launch trailer with no cameras, just AI. If you want to see how it turns out, drop your wildest VO3 prompt idea in the comments below, and let's see who can break this thing first. Okay, if this video has brought you any value, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to get more insightful information about AI tools and content creators in the tech world. And as always, we have 2 more videos for you. This one right here is from make.com. It's called Make AI Tools. It's going to tell you how Make AI Tools can help you automate repetitive tasks, analyzing customer feedback. It's awesome. The video down here, the YouTube algorithm has chosen for you. We'll see you in the next video.